SendFox is an email marketing tool designed to simplify the process of growing your email list and managing email campaigns without the high costs or complexity often associated with other platforms. It allows users like bloggers, content creators, and solopreneurs to easily import contacts from sources such as MailChimp, Gmail, or CSV files, and then segment these contacts into customized lists to personalize outreach effectively. The platform provides key email marketing metrics on a clear dashboard, including open rates, click-through rates, unsubscribe rates, and list growth, helping users monitor their campaign health and optimize performance. What makes SendFox particularly user-friendly is its ability to schedule one-time emails or create automated sequences for onboarding, sales, and nurturing, all without requiring technical setup like managing SMTP servers. Beyond emails, SendFox enables users to create branded landing pages and custom opt-in forms, which can be embedded on websites to capture leads. It also supports over 30 integrations with tools like WordPress, Zapier, and Pabbly Connect, ensuring seamless workflow automation. This version of SendFox is offered as a lifetime deal exclusively for AppSumo Plus members, granting access to a plan that supports up to 5,000 contacts with unlimited email sends, triggered automations, advanced analytics, and CRM functionalities to add notes on subscribers. While it is free for Plus members, it does include SendFox branding. Overall, SendFox stands out as a cost-effective, straightforward solution for anyone looking to automate and grow their email marketing without getting bogged down in complicated features or steep fees.